Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm back again. It's your boy Cory, and we're here for another review, real quick, with the Legacy Builder program. It's not going to be a long video, so please rock with me from beginning to the end. You want to get to the end so you'll know how you can get started at a fraction of a price with the Legacy Builders program. If this is something that you see is duly fit to you, I want to start off with just some of the wins inside of the community with Cecilia Jacobs, another South African millionaire in the house. Uh, Danielle Boots, you're celebrating, my friend. Well done and taking charge of your life. I love it for you. Let's keep celebrating this massive win. So big congratulations to him on becoming a millionaire in South African Rand money. This is a global opportunity. So Canada, you're more than welcome to join in with this opportunity. This can be done from Canada, can be done from South Africa, as long as you are able to accept PayPal payments. We're gonna go down inside some of the wins today. 3 hours ago, Jenna Stone, 9,900 Memorial Day weekend. Big congratulations to you, Jenna, on making $9,900 Memorial Day weekend. 11 new members, 11 $900 things. This just works. I am asking, how do I only sell $900 programs all the time? Simple. I believe it works. Thousands more than the more 900. We have gold. So that's awesome. For another 4 hours ago, we have a member. I just got my first $900. Nice. That's a big congratulations and win. We got Shirley, $400 made within 10 days of launching. I'm truly grateful for this. Future looks bright. Ding, ding, ding. My first 900 make me sing. Oh my gosh, guys, I was crying. LOL. I'm still crying. I think I'm in shock. I need to breathe. LOL. This real? I'm so happy and so awesome to you, Danlise. I'm just butchering names today, but that is so awesome to you. We got Marshall, $300 while sleeping. And a big congrats to Lewis Chain. I did it. 10K in May. Go share share $10,200 in the last 22 days. This is awesome. We had a 10K in May sprint with inside our community that where you get, if I go here inside the classroom, where you're going to get day-to-day actionable plans with our 90-day legacy run. So I watched some of these, but I forgot to click them down. So right here, every day you're getting, for the last 55 days, we've gotten a actionable step plan to do. So every day you get content for what to do and how to place it with a video. Every day you get one, which is so awesome with this community. Not only that, inside of the Legacy Builder program, which it comes with 4 high in demand digital products. You start with the launch pad, launch the launch kit for your own online business. You're going to learn what is passive income, about the community, what is resale rights, winning mindset, launch from profit to 7 days, automate your online business for time freedom, sales automated process, edit your pre-built automated system so you get a fully built-in system with this program where they're going to help you tie in all your information so that way you'll be able to receive payments when someone joins the opportunity with you, how to test your automated system, set up your social media, set up TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, then show you how to set that all up so you are successful at making sales and learning how to attract the perfect customer to you, how to post free written ads on internet. So these are high traffic websites where people are looking for this opportunity, and they're going to show you how to place ads. They're going to give you the ads to place so that way people start looking at your opportunity. Grow a following on social media, complete setup in System.io, and automate your business. and how to set up your automated emails, so you don't have to be a copywriter. You're gonna set up all the emails and do all this. This system does all the selling and telling for you. It runs for you 24/7 in the background, so that way your prospects always know and hear you. So it builds that know, like, and trust. They have the passive daily blueprint, which is the $300 product. You're gonna get everything in the $100 product, plus even more. How to make 100% profit with other people's products. How to find your ideal customer. Mastering storytelling, social media, and video content. How to build a strong brand identity. The discovery method, attracting customers. So copy and paste free ad method, the TikTok strategy. You're going to get the YouTube strategy, the Reels strategy, story strategy, and a bonus on how to go live with TikTok live and YouTube. How to utilize these things to attract those perfect customers to you and to get people into your funnel system. This is so awesome. So you have the $600 level, which is the digital mastery, has even more, everything from the launch pad through the passive daily blueprint, and now it includes the 6 figures in 6 months. So you're gonna learn how to make 6 figures in 6 months, how to build your vision, how to get your income streams earning and active, how to build an email list, how to build conversations. This